Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the essentials ready. Charge both AirPods, open the case lid so they broadcast. On your Android, go to Settings and enable Bluetooth. Keep the device unlocked so pairing dialogues appear. Next, install a simple Bluetooth renaming app from the Play Store. This is necessary because Android can pair but not rename AirPods by default. Once done, pair the AirPods with your phone through Bluetooth. Tap the AirPods entry. With the AirPods connected, tap the gear or info icon next to their name in Bluetooth settings to view device details. This is where Android shows connection options. If your renaming app requires location or nearby device permission, grant it now. This lets the app see paired devices. Use the app's interface to select the AirPods entry. Some apps detect the connection automatically. Once the app recognizes the AirPods, prepare your desired name. Choose something short so the Bluetooth display won't truncate it. Now type the new AirPods name into the Renamer app and tap Apply. You should see a confirmation and the Bluetooth list update. If the name doesn't change immediately, disconnect and reconnect the AirPods or toggle Bluetooth off and on so the system refreshes. Make sure the Renamer app stays running during this process. If problems persist, clear Bluetooth app cache in Android settings or unpair and repair the AirPods. That usually resolves stubborn name sync issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.